everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Sma. And as you know it, my name is Sma. I am so excited to be back. It's been such a long time. Life has been quite busy, but things have calmed down a bit now and we can get back to business. So I am back with another variation of Samp. Those who know that I have a recipe for creamy Samp using the 30-minute Samp, but this time I'm using the Samp that we know and all grew up eating. So this is just your regular Samp and beans. I like adding potatoes to my Samp and beans. It gives it such a creamy and warm flavor as well. And I have my onions, I have my chicken stock and all my spices, and as usual all the spices and measurements, all the ingredients will be in the description box. Guys, don't come for my pot, okay? Leave my pot alone. So here I'm just starting to cook the Samp. I like using hot water instead of cold. It quickens the cooking process, it starts things going quickly. And I'm just going to add my powdered stock and start cooking. So I boil this with the stock. I just want everything to have so much flavor when you eat it. It's very flavorsome, trust me. And here my Samp was almost ready, but not yet done completely. So I add my potatoes and I add my onions and all my spices. Stir those through. Just make sure that your Samp is not sticking to the pot, guys. So you want to check on it occasionally, every now and then. Just make sure that you still have enough water and your Samp is not sticking to the bottom of your pot. And then I'm just going to cover this and let it cook again. Like I said, you want to come back and keep checking on your Samp and beans. So here I'm doing exactly that. I just every now and then come back and stir just to check on how far the cooking process is. Let it go. You want to come back and check if everything is now cooked, if your Samp is cooked, if your beans are cooked, and if your potatoes are cooked. Obviously the Samp will not be cooking at the same time as the potatoes. That's why we only added the potatoes at a later stage. And here my Samp is done. So I'm just going to add the butter to the Samp. I not really switched off, but I lowered my stove just to mix in the butter. Just make sure that everything is coated with the butter, guys. Everything is great with butter. I'm pretty sure that we know that by now. And for some odd reason I forgot to record the last part where I dish up, but no worries, there is a picture. Look out for the picture towards the end of the video, which is almost now. And this is it. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Until the next video, thank you so much. Bye.